Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing good and you're all excited for today's class. So, people, can you all let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we will get started with this super duper chapter, which is the beginning of your 11th standard. So, people, please let me know if you all can hear me and see me very well. Visagan, the class is just getting started, my dear. Vanakkam, man, vanakkam, nice to see you. Vijaya, you're allowed anywhere. No problem. Glad to have you as well. Great. So, people, today we are beginning the Legend series in this channel, We Enlight. I hope all the 11th standard English speaking crowd, English speaking audience are excited. Thank you, CR7. That is so kind of you, man. Madhumita, vanakkam, AD square in the chat. Fantastic. So I see a lot of people are coming from the Tamil channel as well. Great to have you here, people. So shall we begin? Yup. So you are going to listen to this person over here. So for those who have come here to this channel for the very first time, let me quickly introduce myself. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics in Vedantu for all the engineering aspirants. So I was also like you guys a few years back. To be precise, exactly 9 years back, I guess. So 9 years back, I was in your place, listening to teachers, preparing for competitive exams, and I did clear most of them. So your JEE mains, I did do well and I got one of the top ranks in Tamil Nadu, and then I cleared JEE Advanced and studied in IIT Madras. I'm sure most of you watching this lecture would want to study in the premier institutes of the country like IITs, NITs, BITS, and then IIITs, VIT and so on, isn't it? But yeah, that takes a lot of effort because the competition has increased by an insane margin. Okay, so back when I wrote the exam, it was not this competitive, but now it's become crazy. So you need to put crazy amount of effort into it. Okay, so that is why I'm going to help you, assist you in this process. So please make sure you utilize the content we provide. In YouTube, you are getting all this content for free. Okay, so make sure you use it and you are regular to the lectures because we teachers love that, isn't it? The more students come and watch the lecture, the more you participate. That's brilliant. Okay. Great. Should I give JEE Mains 2022 in order to give JEE Advance? Of course, Dharini. You have to write JEE Mains, only then you can write JEE Advance. It's a step-by-step process. Sir, will you speak Tamil? Jumana Fatima, this is an English channel, Jumana. So I will not be talking in Tamil because we have a lot of friends from Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka and so on. So they prefer English. So we'll stick to English in this channel. For Tamil, I have a separate channel, V Master. You can go and watch that if you want. Okay. Great. So people, shall we get started? Okay. Without any delay, let's get into it because I have a very big lecture planned for you. So I'll have to complete it by 7:30. So let's get started. So guys, for those who are new to this channel, this is my details. You can go through it when I share you the PDF of this class. Where will I share the PDF? I'll share it in our Telegram group. So usually YouTube channels have their own Telegram group. Telegram is nothing but something similar to WhatsApp, you can say. Okay, we use it for sharing PDF and all that. So if you want some free content, if you want to be in close touch with us teachers, then you can join the group. There I will share all of this, and I'm also there on Instagram because all the students are there in Instagram. Back in those days, Facebook was very common, like 5-10 years back. But now everybody is on TikTok and Instagram. TikTok, fortunately or unfortunately, is banned in India. But yeah, Instagram is there, so you can follow me there. You can ask me your doubts. I'll try to help you within 2-3 days. Okay. Great. I added legend before my name. Prachi, you are a true follower of this channel. Thank you so much. Legend Diamond Prachi. I'm sure you will shine like a diamond after 2 years when you write your JEE. Don't worry, we'll help you. Great. So people, shall we begin? Yup. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys, because this is not come say hi and bye. Okay, you have to stick to us. It is a long journey. Okay, one day I cannot make sure you get into IIT. It is a long journey. This is just the start. This is the beginning. So make sure you guys are regular to the Legend series lectures. Okay, and in this channel we don't only have maths, we have physics also, chemistry also, and even bio for all the NEET aspirants. Okay, so make sure you guys check that out, and if you love the teachers, do follow them regularly. Okay, so this is We Enlight, the English, JEE and NEET channel of Vedantu. So if you are preparing for these exams, make sure you are regular. Got it? Sir, please start, sir. Okay, great. So let's get started, people. So what are we going to do today? So today we are starting off with mathematics, and the first chapter for you all is set. Okay, so we are going to discuss all about set, and we are going to solve some basic questions based on that. Okay, it is a very introductory class, so we are not going to do something fancy and hi-fi. So today's class is going to be fun. Are you all ready? Let's get started. Fantastic. So today, people, I will introduce you to what is set, and then we will look at how to represent a set. Why do we need set? How will we represent a set? What are the ways in which we can represent? All that you will get to learn today. And lastly, I will also teach you what are the various types of set. Okay? Lastly, I'll also teach you the various types of set that we need to learn as part of our CBSE curriculum. Okay, so I'm going to base my lecture on CBSE, and of course I'll teach you foundational JEE stuff which will help you in your engineering preparation. Okay, so let's get started, people. Are you all ready? Yep, let me see some energy, guys. It's 6:05, 6:10, and you guys are already tired, is it? Come on, people, show me some energy, show me some fire in the chat, and then we'll get started. Hamad, welcome, man. Jayvant, last year was killer, right? I remember, man, I remember. Last year, 11th standard, when we started off, it was fire. It was next level only. This year, 11th, everybody is sleeping only, I feel. Come on, people, put some energy into the chat. Great. Neha, welcome. Koteshwara Rao, Superman. Very good. So let's begin, people. Let's get started. So first of all, I will introduce you to the topic called as set. Okay. So we will see what is a set, and we will do it in a very fancy, easy to understand manner. So guys, what is set? Can you look at these examples? So I'm sure all of you have had ice creams, right? You all love ice cream when you are in 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. That's all you can think about when it comes to dessert, right? You like butterscotch, strawberry, and then you have chocobar and all these fancy sugary items we all love, isn't it? So if you look at the different kinds of ice creams, you have these orange ice cream sticks, and then you have chocobar, very famous, then vanilla cone, and then you have some random ice cream. So these are all different kinds of ice creams, is that right? So we have a collection of ice creams here. That is basically a set. Okay, so I can call this group as a set of ice cream. Got it? Similarly, many of us, when we were young, now nobody cares, but how many of you are still interested to go to zoos and all? Like you get excited when you see picture of zoo and animals in zoos and all that. Do you guys love it? Some people are against it. They are like, sir, animals should not be kept contained. They should live in the wild. So I don't want to get into that debate, but still, I'm just asking whether you guys like animals or not. Okay, so generally, my perception is when we were young, we used to admire all that, but when we grow older, we get busy with life that we don't take time to appreciate all these small things, right? Okay, so Vijaya still likes, great, not bad. Great. Neha, fantastic. So this is the set of collection of animals, okay? And then we have fruits. So from this example, what do you guys understand? See, I'm taking very childish, kiddish examples so that you guys will understand the background, the message which I'm trying to convey. I hope all of you got it. You love the deer of IITM. Oh, IIT Madras has lots of animals, guys. Okay. IIT Madras, we have deer, black buck, and then monkeys. Monkeys are very problematic. So I was lucky because I used to stay in Chennai and I used to come home every weekend. But my friends who are in hostel, right? IITs, everybody has to stay in hostel. So they will wash their clothes in the washing machine. Every hostel has one. And they will put it for drying. And what the monkeys will do is, monkeys will run and pull out all the clothes. And sometimes they'll do dirty business on the clothes and then they'll run away. So all my friends used to hate the monkeys, but I was lucky because my house was nearby. Okay, so yeah, IIT Madras is like a mini zoo only. You have lots of animals inside. Great. So what is the meaning behind it? Guys, please let me know. What is the meaning behind these examples? Can anybody summarize it? I want somebody to give me a quick summary of what we just discussed. See, it's good that you all understood the examples. It's all fun and it's nice. It's perfect. But the important part is I want you to understand the mathematical meaning of set also, which I'm slowly trying to convey. Come on, guys. Quick. Abhirtanya, Ritanya, please tell me what is your doubt. I'll help you. Including nerds. No, man. IIT Madras has a lot of cool people also. Come on. You are seeing one in front of the camera. Still you're not believing. Okay. Collection of stuff is a set. Very good. So guys, set is basically a collection of objects. Okay. Set is basically a collection of objects. Very good, Stefina. You're absolutely right. Very good, Goober. Perfect. But is it just collection of objects? It is collection of well-defined objects. So you look at this, all the objects are well-defined. You look at these animals, all of them are well-defined. Okay. And look at the fruits over here, all of them are well-defined. Got it? So the perfect definition is set is the collection of well-defined objects. As simple as that. Okay. So shall I move forward? Yes, everybody? Fantastic. So all the collections in the given example are well-defined. So guys, that is very important. Okay. So for example, if I ask you the set of brilliant people in our YouTube channel, is it a well-defined set or no? Can I call it a set or no? Please tell me, guys, everybody. The set of brilliant students in our YouTube channel, is it a set? Everybody says yes. The answer is no. Where are you? Where are you living? Please be in the reality, guys. Come. Look at what I am saying and then answer. The answer is no. Okay. Why is it no? Because how can you define brilliant? What is the parameter for brilliant? Who is brilliant? Who is not brilliant? Do we have a clear-cut mark? Oh, the boys who are crossing this line, they are brilliant. The boys who are not crossing this line, they are dumb fellows. There is no line like that, okay? That is a gray area. So that is not a well-defined statement. So hence, I cannot call that a set, okay? Got it? So it has to be well-defined. It cannot be vague. Exactly. Prachi, you are right. Did you all like it? Are you all cool? Exactly, Vijaya. Vijaya, you are perfectly right. So definition of set, you can make sure you take a screenshot of this slide, okay? The collection of well-defined data is called as set. The collection of well-defined data is called as set, okay? An example, the collection of students who liked this video, that is well-defined. Did you like it? If not, make sure you come inside this set, okay? So people, the collection of the students who liked this video is well-defined because I know who liked it, who didn't. So it's very well-defined. So if I group all the students who liked the video, then they are going to be a set. Got it? Everybody cool with that? Perfect. So with that, let's move forward. So these are also examples of real life, very laddu examples. The more I explain them, the more worse it becomes. So let me just move forward. Okay, these are all very laddu, childish examples, guys. But I hope you get the point. So if you see, this bag has a lot of compartments, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have places to store things. So the collection of all these compartments is also a set. Why? Because these compartments are well defined. Got it? Very good. So with that, let's move forward. Your kitchen organization. I doubt whether anybody's house will be this organized. I have never seen a place this organized. Hands down, okay. No doubt. Very rarely I see places this organized. Does anyone keep their house like this? Somebody has OCD like this. They have this OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder, wherein you feel you need to have everything in place or else you freak out. Yes, so only such people can maintain it in this fashion. In my house, very rarely I have seen stuff like this. Okay, but yeah, usually model houses are like this. Like whenever you go to look at a flat, they have a model house. So that is usually designed like this, very neat. Okay. So yeah, so this is a set of all the objects in the kitchen. Okay, perfect. And then you have a mini city or a mini community. You have supermarket, you have a playground, you have TV shop and all that. So this is a example of set. Okay. So enough examples, but now let us look at the examples of what are not set. Okay. Inbavel Tamil course is starting on August 8th only. So until then you will not be able to see. Please wait. Okay, don't worry. Inbavel Tamil course is starting on August 8th. Okay, so even if you joined it, don't worry, it will show in some time. Okay, great. Praneeth, all the very best for all those who are writing BITSAT tomorrow. Do well, guys, do well. Great. So people, these are all examples of not set. Why? Some famous colleges which you are aiming for. Is that well defined? What is famous? What do you mean by famous? So everybody will be like, sir, IITs are famous. For you, IITs are famous. For somebody else, NITs will be famous. For somebody else, Osmania will be famous. So it depends, right? It depends from person to person and it changes. So it is a very vague statement to say famous colleges. So that is why the first one is not a set. Okay. Now coming to the second one, some excellent students joined our new batches. So excellent students here, is it a set? Because excellent is not a clear-cut parameter. What is excellent? How do you define excellent? Nobody knows. So we cannot define it in a proper manner. Okay. So because of that, it is also not a set. Now the next one, collection of 5 most renowned mathematicians. So if you ask to 10 people, they'll give 10 different answers. Okay. So if you ask world-renowned mathematicians, we'll say what Gauss was there, then Descartes was there. So like that you can give 5 names and the other person will give some random 5 names. They'll give their school teacher name, they'll give Shimon sir's name, Arvind sir's name, because they know only those people as mathematicians. So it depends from person to person. Isn't that right? Exactly. So this is also not defined. So these are all examples of not set. These are all examples of not a set. Why? Because the objects are not well defined. Got it? Very good, very good. Super. So with that, let's go forward. Now people, how do we represent a set? So we are coming into the mathematical parts of it quickly because this is what you all need. The story was just to get you into the subject, but now we are treading into the subject. So please give me your complete attention, people. Okay? Fantastic. Newton. Yes, Newton was also a good mathematician and a physicist. And then Ramanujam. Yeah, of course, I missed out Ramanujam. I should have told that first. Okay, yes, Ramanujam as well, my dear boys and girls. Perfect. Great. So now, how do we write a set? So set is always denoted by capital letters. Okay, please remember this, guys. This is very important. A set is always represented by capital letters and the elements belonging to that set would be represented by small letters. Okay, the elements of a set are always represented by small letters. And the set in entirety is expressed as a capital letter. Please be very careful about it. It's very important. You cannot do ulta. Okay, then you will unnecessarily lose marks for no reason. These are all the standard customs that we follow. Okay, you cannot question it. Why we should use capital, why we should use small. These have been the methods. By convention, we have been following them. Okay, is that all right? So shall we move forward? Great, great, great. Pakka. So now, can you guys give me an example? Let's say the set of all vowels. Can you guys give me that in the chat? Everybody, please write it down in the chat. The set of all vowels. Express it as set A. My dear boys and girls, the question is, write set A, which is the set of all the vowels of the English alphabet. Okay. Please do it quickly, guys. Everybody. Joyce Mary, welcome. I'm loving your energy. Great. Actually speaking, most of the people watching this video is Tamilians from Tamil Nadu. I know, man, from Master Channel. Guys, Master Channel, I may not be able to take math because I'm taking physics and chemistry. But yeah, here I'll take math for sure. Because here I'm supposed to take only maths. Great. Very good. Who is that? Titika. Very good, Titika. You're absolutely right. And Shanmuga Priyan. Superb, man. Monisha. No, Monisha. I told you set A, na? You have to write set capital A. Write it exactly the way I wanted. Okay? Very good. Superb. Legend Prachi. Stefina. Sanju. Bharati. CR7. Yes, yes, yes. Very well done, people. Good job. Keep it up. Team Alpha. Superb. Resmi. Goober. Sanju. Jebis Paytm. And then Ritanya. Madhu. Kasiram. Fantastic. You guys are awesome, people. Keep it up. Well done. You can give yourself a small round of applause. Okay, great. So now, how do we write it? First of all, like I said, you need to express a set in capital letters. So set A is equal to, what are the vowels of English alphabet? You have A, you have E, you have I, O, U. So now this is what all of you know. But beyond this, it is unfair of me to expect to get right answers from you all because I didn't teach you further. But if you have done this much, I am very happy and I am super proud of you all. Okay. So if you have done this much, then you guys have done a great job. Now after this, there are a few things which you have to know. The people who answered right, I think they have already studied it. Okay. So the important point here is the elements of a set are separated by commas. The elements of a set are separated by commas and they are enclosed by curly braces. Okay. So that is how you write them. Did you all like it? Was it epic? Sid Katrunar. Yes, there is a chance, but not BITS Pilani, not BITS Hyderabad, maybe BITS Goa. She might get mechanical and beyond. Okay. So people, shall we move forward? Great. Everybody cool with this? Happy? Fantastic. So let's proceed now. Now we'll go to some more important symbols which we will use. Okay. So now these symbols are very confusing. People will be like, sir, what does this symbol mean, sir? When I give them a question, they'll be like, sir, what is this E? Guys, this is not E. Please don't say that. Even if I say, please forgive me. It's actually epsilon, okay? It's actually epsilon. If I say, it is not because I don't know. It's because I want you to understand. Many students think of it as E only. So I always try to say E. But the actual word for it is epsilon. So that means belongs to. Okay. Now, what does this belongs to mean? And why should we learn it? I'm going to explain that. So please listen carefully. So people, we saw just now one very beautiful example. What is that? The set of vowels. The set of vowels in English alphabet. So you have A, E, I, O, U. right? So these are all the elements of the set, and capital A is the set basically, right? Cool. So now belongs to is used to show that an element belongs to a set. For example, here A belongs to capital A, true. E belongs to capital A, true. But can I say B belongs to capital A? No, B is not a vowel. So we say B does not belong to A. We say B does not belong to. So does not belong to is this symbol. You put epsilon and you strike it off. You put epsilon and you strike it off. Did you all like it? Everybody? Superb, na? I gave a simple example to help you guys understand what belongs to means and how we use it. Okay, guys, please be very careful. You cannot put like this. This is absolutely wrong. Is this correct? A with curly braces belongs to capital A? No, this is wrong. This is wrong. If you say this, you are gonna get 0. Okay, you will get -1. Please be careful. Okay, are you all happy with this? Sir, when will be KVPY exam this year? Hello, Pujit. Where were you living, man? Where were you living? KVPY is removed. That exam is no more. It's old news, okay? This year there is no KVPY, my dear. You have to just prepare for your JEE mains. No other option. Got it? So, everybody cool with this? Can I go forward, people? Are you all happy? Shall we look at some examples now? Very good. Exactly, Vijaya, you're absolutely right. Exactly, Prachi. You are right, Prachi. Fantastic work. Okay, so people, with that, let's move forward. Let's go to the next one. Now, these are all the most commonly used set in mathematics. Okay, so the first one is your set of natural numbers. That is n. Okay, Z is a set of integers. Q is a set of rational numbers. R real numbers, Z plus positive integers, Q plus positive rational numbers, R plus positive real numbers, and C is the biggest set. C is the biggest set, which is your complex numbers. It is the father of all set, okay? Because complex numbers are very, very big. They are even bigger than real numbers, okay? So people tend to think that real numbers is the biggest set, but actually complex numbers is much bigger than your real numbers. Got it? So are you all okay with it? So shall we move forward? So please have a look at it. Guys, these symbols are fixed, okay? So in exams, they'll give you Z. You should not be scratching your head. Sir, what is Z, sir? Z is set of integers. So I hope all of you know what are integers. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on till infinity, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and so on till -infinity. So the entire set is called as integers. Whole numbers means W. I have not given it over here. Whole numbers is generally represented by W, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay. I hope all of you are clear. So natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a smaller set as compared to integers. Integers is a smaller set as compared to rational numbers. Rational numbers is a smaller set as compared to real numbers. Real numbers is a smaller set as compared to complex numbers. Got it? Everybody cool with it? Exactly. Can we say complex numbers is a universal set? Yes, you can say that because it's the biggest. Okay. Fantastic. So with that, let us move forward to solve some questions. Are you guys with me? Are you all ready? Shall we look at some very easy, simple, laddu examples? Yup. Quick guys, come on, let me see some energy in the chat. I want you to put some fire, put some thumbs up and a yo in the chat. And if you are enjoying the session so far, make sure you put a like to the video and also leave a comment if you are watching this later. Okay? Because this is just the start. I want to see your involvement. And your involvement will motivate us to bring a lot of energy and a lot of good content into this series. So the ball is in your court, people. Great. So yeah, with that, let's look at some questions over here. Please try to solve it, everyone. Dhananjayan, I still did not teach equivalent set, man. Please wait for it. I will come there and then I'll help you. Sai Dikshit, thank you so much. I'm glad you're finding it helpful, man. Awesome. Great, great. So what is the answer, people? Everybody try to solve it. Form a set with the roots of this equation. I hope all of you know how to solve this quadratic. You would have learned it in 10th standard. Don't tell me you don't know. Quadratic we have been studying from LKG. Okay. So try to use your splitting of middle term concept and factorize it, equate it to 0 and get your roots and express it. Okay. So you have 4 options. You have to choose one of them. So everybody says option C. Are you all sure? Shanmuga Priyan, Stefina, Vijaya, Titika, Prachi. Then we have Neha Kannan, Joyce Mary, Eshita Reddy, very good. Sanju, fantastic. Vijaya, great, great, great. Neha, you changed your answer, Neha, very bad. You told the correct one, you changed it now. So answer is option C only. Okay. Revant, very good Revant. Resmi Binu is also right. Leela Krishna, Srinath, Priyanka, good job. Mohan Rao, fantastic. So the answer is option C. Why? Because if I split the middle term and solve it, it will look like this. So the factors will be x minus 2 into x minus 3. So if I equate it to 0, it will give me x equal to 2 comma 3. So the roots are 2 and 3. So if I write it in set format, I told you, set, you enclose it with curly braces and you separate the elements with commas. Sir, but they wrote 3 comma 2. Doesn't matter, guys. You can write it reverse also. It doesn't matter in set. So answer is option C. I hope you all liked it. Okay. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. So are you all clear? Shall I move forward? Fantastic job, people. So yeah, this is just the first example. I have a few more. So let's go ahead and do them quickly, quickly. Please try it out, my dear boys and girls. Everybody, form a set with prime factors of 210. What are the prime factors of 210? Check it out. Ruchi, it's your first day here. Welcome to this channel, Ruchi. Glad to have you here. I hope you saw this session from the beginning. If not, pull the video back and watch it from the start. You might love it. Okay. Yep. Yes, guys. I am right now on the second question. The chat is a bit slow. There is a lag. So I am 10 to 20 seconds ahead of what you are. Okay. So yeah, I have already shown the second question. Please do it, everybody. Option A. And Stefina says C. Stefina, I asked prime factors. Is 21 a prime number? By that itself, I can tell your answer is wrong. Stefina, 21 is not even a prime number. 21 is 3 into 7, right? How can you say that's a prime number? I asked you only to find the prime factors of 210. Okay. So, only prime number should be there in the answer. Don't give me anything else. So, everybody says it's option A. Perfect. You guys are right. Why not B? Because why not B? Because 1 is not prime. Okay. That's why B and D are wrong. It's a very simple elimination question. So, this is some skill which you have to develop. Those who are preparing for NEET, those who are preparing for JEE, right? You need to learn to eliminate options. Okay, it's not a very good way of learning, but for our competitive exams in our country's context, it really works. Okay, so for example, here they ask prime factors. I know 1 is not a prime number. I know 21 is not a prime number. So obviously this is wrong, and this is wrong. This is the only option left out. I don't even have to solve the question. Okay, so that is how you do it. But the right approach, since we are all learning, let's do the right approach also. So I'll first divide it by 2, I'll get 105. Then I'll divide it by 5, I'll get 35. Then again, no, not 35, right? Is it 35? It's 21, I'm sorry. Very good calculation. Okay. Next you will do 3 and then you'll get 7, then you'll go 7 and then 1. So it's 2, 3, 5, 7, which are the prime factors of this number. Then you're done. Okay? Everybody cool? Exactly, Titika. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Fantastic. You are absolutely right. Okay. So with that said, people, let's go to the next question. The next question is on your screen. No, that's it. We are moving on to the next topic. Great, great, great. Okay. So now we have completed the introduction to set. We are slowly moving forward to look at the representation of set. Are you all up for it? If everybody is excited, if everybody is ready, then please let me know in the chat with a fire, with a thumbs up and a yo, and then we'll get started. Great, great, great. Hello, Vaishali. Welcome. Then we have Joseph. Welcome, man. Nice to see you here. Great. So people, the second topic which I'm going to teach you today is representation of set. I already taught you roughly that you have to put curly braces, you have to separate the elements by commas and all that. But is that the only way to represent set? Absolutely not. There is another way also. So I'm going to teach you both of them. Let's go. Shall we? Fantastic. So guys, set representation is majorly of 2 forms. The first form is your roster form and the second form is your set builder form. Okay. So roster form is what we just discussed right now. You enclose all the elements with curly braces and then you write all the elements separated by commas, right? So that is your roster form. And the next form that you have is your set builder form, which I'll explain in a short while. Are you all ready? Shemul Islam, you're from Bangladesh. No problem, man. You can watch this. Happy to have you here. Great, great. The chat is burning with fire. Awesome, awesome. That's the energy I want. Okay. So, people, let's move forward. What is roster form? So, roster form is you write all the elements separated by commas, enclose it with curly bracket. Correct? Very simple. Roster form is Laddu. Laddu Max it is. Because we have been studying that for a long time. I have taught you examples based on that. We even solved some questions based on that. So by now, you are all happy and comfortable with roster form, I hope. Everybody? Great. So in roster form, all the elements of a set are listed down like vowels. A, E, I, O, U. I write down all the vowels, enclose it with a curly bracket and then separate all the elements by commas. So that is what we call as roster form. For example, set of all even positive numbers less than 7. 2, 4, 6. Set of all even positive numbers less than 7. 2, 4, 6. I list down all of them, enclose it with curly braces, separate by commas. That's called roster form. Okay. Set of first 5 positive even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set of first 5 positive integers, even, is given over here. So I have listed all of them down. So that is called as roster form. Everybody clear? Fantastic. Great. So now let's move forward. This is very interesting. Okay. This is something new. Okay. You can cook food with all this fire. Yes, yes. Prachi, I know. It will save some pollution. See, that's why I'm asking you to put some fire. Eco-friendly, isn't it? Great. So people, coming back to set builder form. So what is set builder form? Set builder form is when you don't list down everything. Rather, you give a condition by which you can form all the elements of the set. Okay, so I will give a condition by which you can form or get all the elements of the set. Okay, so it is like a secretive message. Set builder is like a secretive message. By hearing that message, you can get all the elements of the set. So it is indirectly telling you how to form the set, whereas roster form is directly giving you all the elements belonging to the set. Got it? Everybody clear? So what is set builder form? All the elements of a set possess a single common property, a single common rule, a single common condition which all the elements of the set will satisfy, and all the elements which are not in the set will not satisfy this. So for example, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. That is roster form. The same roster form I can write like this. Can I write like this? X is even and X is less than 9. Okay, that's wrong, guys. I'll write it down. Okay. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So I will write it down. Please listen carefully. Set C is such that it contains X in such a way X is a multiple of 3 X belongs to natural number and X is less than 13. Is that right? Everybody clear? So forget about this. This is not right. Okay. This is correct. Can you all confirm it? So will this property give me this? Will this property give me this? Check it and let me know. Everybody in the chat right now. Quickly, quickly. Come on, guys. Everybody. Very good, Prachi. Fantastic. Jeevan, thank you so much, man. I'm glad you love our lectures. That is so nice. Deekshit, fantastic, Deekshit. You are right. Everybody, come on, guys. Let me know in the chat. Manas, fantastic, Manas. I'm glad you liked it. Vishali, brilliant. Neha, Joseph, superb, superb. Sir, what about less than equal to 12? That is also correct. You can do that also. There are so many ways you can do it. You can say less than equal to 12 also. That is also fine. So this is called as set builder form. So what is set builder form? I do not give you all the elements directly. Rather, I give you the condition. I give you the property by which you can get these elements and these elements alone. That is the beauty of set builder form. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody happy? Fantastic, people. Superb. So with that, let's go to the next example. The next example is rational numbers. Okay. Now I'll ask you one question. Can you represent all the rational numbers in roster form? Can you guys answer that? Everybody? Can you people represent all the rational numbers in roster form? Can you do that or no? Please let me know in the chat, guys, quickly. Hi Pranav, welcome Pranav, nice to have you here. Great. Fantastic. Vishali, great. So people, what is the answer? I think the chat is a bit slow. I have to wait a long time for you all to first hear my question and then answer. So, Kural Amudan says yes. Everybody says no. And Miran says yes. Guys, the answer is no. Okay. Why? Why? Because rational numbers are infinite in number. How many rational numbers are there? How many rational numbers are there? There are infinite rational numbers. Correct, na? So can I list down all the infinite rational numbers? Come on, guys, it's infinity. Nobody knows what's infinity. Can you reach infinity? Nope. So because of that, in roster form, you cannot exhibit or express rational numbers. But I can do that very easily in set builder form. So whenever Q is a rational number, it is nothing but A by B, where A belongs to integers, B also belongs to integers, and B is not 0. So this is the definition of rational numbers, right? This is the definition of rational numbers. So I am able to define rational numbers, that is Q. What is Q? I have already told you. Q is nothing but set of rational numbers. I am able to define it with the help of set builder form, whereas I cannot do that with the help of roster form. Clear? Why? Because roster form, you cannot write and list down all the infinite elements. Okay. So now a very nice question comes up, which I want to teach all the students who are aiming to crack JEE Advanced and tough exams. The ones who are looking to do more than just CBSE, more than just JEE Mains. I'll ask you a good question. Does this mean roster form, you can never write infinite set? Infinite set means a set which contains infinite elements. Does this mean in roster form, we can never write infinite set? Can you answer that? Sir, we use Z for integers. No, sir. Yes, guys. Z. Z is the right one for integers. Here I have used I, but it's understood. Okay. Titika, you are absolutely correct. We use Z for integers, but yeah, I is also used in some cases. Okay. Very good, very good. Everybody, yes, no, yes, no. I am seeing different answers from people. The answer is no. We can put. We can represent infinite set in roster form also when it has a pattern. For example, this is allowed. So this is a set of natural numbers. Isn't that right? So I expressed it in roster form and this goes up to infinity. So when you have a pattern associated, you can write and express it in roster form. But only if a pattern is there. But unfortunately for rational numbers, there is no pattern, so I cannot express it in roster form. Okay? So rational numbers unfortunately does not have any pattern associated with it. So I will not be able to represent it in roster form. I have to only go for set builder form. Did you all like it? Are you all clear? Fantastic. I'm glad you all followed it. So yeah, with that, we shall move forward, guys. This was an epic concept. I hope you're all clear. Let's go and solve some questions now. Everybody, go for it. Sir, I have a doubt. Yes, please tell me. What is your doubt? I'll help you. Manas, will I do this for every chapter? Yes, guys. This will go for every chapter of 11th. Provided you guys are regular and you show love and support to this. Sanjay Sundar, yes, we will put videos for JEE Advanced the coming week. We were just waiting for BitSat to get over. So the coming week we will start JEE Advanced series in this channel. Shreyas sir, Wasim sir and I. Okay. Come on people, everybody try to solve this. Vijaya has already answered. Vijaya is lightning fast. Same thing you thought in nurture last year also. Exactly, Vijaya, the content is same only. Maths is not changing for CBSE. So yeah, I'll stick to the same. But yeah, maybe examples and maybe the chat interactions will be different this year. Last year's set was like jam-packed because we had so many students in the chat, right? I remember, I think we had some 300, 400 people watching it. It was very good. What is the answer? The answer is option A. Srinath, perfect Srinath, you're right. Sanju, Priyanka, very good. Ahmad, Frank, Vishali, Lakshmi Patiya Reddy, very good. Madhumita is also right. So yeah, people, you guys are right. The answer is option A. So why is it option A? Guys, again you have to split the middle term using that. You will factorize it and then you can get the answer. So it will become x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and then I can take x common, so it will be x into x plus 2, minus 1 common, it will be x plus 2 is equal to 0, so I'll get x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, so I'll get x is equal to 1 and minus 2. So the answer is option A, because 1 and minus 2 is there in first option only. Got it? How many numbers are there between two real numbers? Infinite. Okay. Between two real numbers you can find infinite real numbers, man. It's crazy, but yeah, that's how it is. Real numbers is itself a big set. Okay. Great. So yeah, with that, let's move forward. The next question is over here. Please try to answer it, but be careful, guys. Harini Sinu. Thank you so much, Harini. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Last year, Bridge course was even more jam-packed. Yeah, I remember. Some of the Bridge course videos have crossed more than 50,000 views, which is actually great for our channel. Okay. So people, are you all done? Please let me know in the chat. So everybody says option A. Naveen, welcome man. Ishan, nice to see you here, Ishan. Srinath, Sanju, Priyanka, Stefina, Naveen, Titika, Yogeshwari, fantastic. So yeah, people, you guys are right, it is option A. Because if x square is equal to 64, then x can be either plus 8 or minus 8. Okay? Perfect. That is absolutely correct. Moving on. The next question is on your screen. Please try to solve it, guys. Come on. Everybody, look at this. This is an infinite set. This is an infinite set. Sir, infinite set you have written in roster form, sir. Yes, it is allowed. Why? Because I've kept ... ellipsis. Why? Because that's the pattern. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So there is a pattern. Whenever there is a pattern associated, you can write an infinite set. Okay. Tap is becoming rusty. Yes. No, I think it will be fine. I was not that emotional today. Sometimes I go beyond my measure and shout. That's when I get rusty tap. Okay. Manas says option C and everybody says A. But all those who said A, you get 0. Don't get upset. You made a small mistake. It's okay. When you make such mistakes only, it makes teaching interesting. Then only I can teach you something now. If you don't make mistake, then what is that to teach? Okay. So thank you all those who answered option A. So people, why is option A wrong? Because integers means it is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. And then minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. So correct only no sir. You square this sir. You square this, you will get 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Same 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Correctly you will get everything sir. Yes, that's correct. But you will get 0 square also. But 0 square is not here. So that is where you made a mistake. Okay, that's wrong. Got it? That is where you made a mistake. 0 square is not there. Got it? So that is why answer is option C. It is only for natural numbers. Everybody cool? Did you all like it? Was it epic? Was it legendary? So if it was legendary, if it was great, then let's move forward. Great. Super. Great. So let's move to the next question, people. The last concept for the day is different types of set. Okay. So till now what we saw was introduction to this chapter. We saw how to represent a set now we are going to look at what are the types of set you can have. Okay? Pranav, thank you so much, man. So people, let's get into the different types of set. Very, very easy. There are only 4 types of set which you guys already know. I'm just gonna tell you quickly, run through it, and we are gonna solve some questions. Okay? Are you all happy? Fantastic. So let's look at the different types of set. The first one is called as an empty set, when you have nothing inside. Imagine somebody is coming to your birthday party and they are giving you an envelope. Happy birthday, my dear. This is my gift to you. And you open the gift and you see nothing inside. So that's called as an empty set. Okay. When you don't have anything inside it, it's called as an empty set. So more like the gift which I promised Vijaya. But Vijaya, don't worry, Vijaya. You waited for a long time. I'll gift you something awesome. Okay. Fantastic. So people, empty set means when you have nothing inside the set. Okay. When you have nothing inside the set, it is represented by phi, which is the symbol for null set. Okay. Which is represented by a phi, which is a null set, or you can represent it like this: open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Okay. So that is called as a empty set. That's how it's represented. What is finite set? Can anybody answer? But for you guys to answer, I have to wait 20 seconds. I am not going to be that patient. So let me only tell it. So finite set means you have finite number of elements inside. What? When you have finite number of elements inside the set. For example, vowels. The set of all the vowels is going to be a finite set because it is A, E, I, O, U, and all the 5 elements are well defined. So here you have finite number of elements, 5 elements. So let's say there is a set B which is only 1 element. So that is going to be also a finite set. So guys, this is also called as singleton set. Okay, this is also called as singleton set. Single is a term which all of you must be very well accustomed to, especially those who are preparing for engineering entrance exam. Sir, don't remind me about the word single, sir. It's okay, guys, it's worth it. Bear with it for a while, it'll be all right. Okay, so singleton set means you have only 1 element. Okay, you don't have anything else apart from that. And when you have 0 elements, it's null set or void set or empty set. These are all the different words you can use for the same: null set, void set or empty set. All 3 work perfectly fine. Okay, and singleton means only 1, no pair, only 1, alone. Got it? And infinite set, I have already told you this. Infinite set means you have a lot of elements. You have infinite number of elements. So that's option C. Got it? Everybody cool? And the last one is equal set. Equal set means when everything in one set is the same as everything in the other set. Okay. 2 sets are said to be equal when they have same number of elements and when they have the same elements. Only then it is called as equal set. Okay? Everybody cool? Fantastic. So yeah, with that, let's move forward. Let's look at the examples. Empty set. A set having no element is called as an empty set. It is represented by open bracket, close bracket without anything inside, or phi. What is phi? This is phi, okay? That closed figure with a slash. That's called phi. Okay? So, consider the set B. A student who is studying in both class 10 and 11. That's a null set. How can a student be studying in both 10th and 11th? Another example. A student in my school who is above 10 feet in height. Where can we find such giants? We can't find, right? So, that is an empty set. Because you cannot find somebody who is more than 10 feet. The world record is around 7.7, not more than that. Or 8 feet, I guess. Okay, so next one is B, a composite number less than 4. So less than 4, what do we have? 1, 2, 3. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So there cannot be a composite number less than 4. Got it? Great, great, great. And then the last one, x cube is 27, but x is even. How is it possible? Okay, so these are all examples of empty set. Next one, finite set. Finite set means it has finite number of elements. It has a definite number of elements, not 0, not infinity. For example, the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that also they have missed one. They have missed Wednesday. I don't know why. So many typing errors. Okay, so people, it's all right. I guess one day has been missed out, but that's okay. So it is a finite set. Why it's a finite set? Because it has finite number of elements, right? It has only 7 elements. Got it? Great, great, great. And then the next one is what? The set of natural numbers less than n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to n. Okay. And again, guys, when they say less than n, you should not include n. Okay. It should be only up to n minus 1. It should be up to n minus 1 only because they said less than n. All these fine points, be careful. I will correct them and I'll share it to you. Okay. So all infinite set cannot be described in roster form. For example, we saw the set of rational numbers, correct? And infinite set means the number of elements in the set will be infinity. Okay, they are all examples of infinite set. I hope you are all clear with them. Okay, and equal set means they should have same elements and same number of elements. So 3 elements, and all the 3 elements are the same. Here you see A and E. We have 5 fruits, and all the 5 are the same. Apple, apple, orange, orange, strawberry, strawberry, watermelon, watermelon, banana, banana. So that's when you say they are equal set. Okay? Everybody happy with this? Great, great, fantastic. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's solve some questions now. Please try to do it, everybody. Very good question. It's a very, very good question. Let me see how many of you can crack it right. Okay. Is this one shot? No, man. I'll finish the lecture. It's almost done. It's just lecture 1. Okay. Answer is option D. Very good. Superb, superb, superb. Very good, people. Yes, it is option D, which is the right answer. See, null set 5 is a set with element only 0. No, this is wrong. Because if you have 0 inside, that means it's a singleton set. It is not null set. That's a singleton set, okay? And is 5 equal to 0? No, 5 is a null set. How can it be equal to 0? That makes no sense. This is a set without any element. No, element 0 is present. No, so it is a singleton set. So only option D is correct. Very conceptual question. I hope you all liked it. Got it? So this is the next one. Everybody try it out. Quick, 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 quick. Come on, people. My dear boys and girls, everybody go for it. Try to be fast. What about equivalent set? Equivalent set means, Joyce Mary, they have equal number of elements. Equivalent means the number of elements will be equal. Whereas equal set means everything should be equal. Even the elements should be the same. Got it? Kalai Selvi, yes, in Tamil channel I have started a series for NEET and JEE. Please go check it out. I am taking both physics and chemistry there. Okay. So do check, and if you enjoy it, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear it from you guys. Everybody says option A. Is it right? Okay, x square is 9. No guys, I think it's wrong. Oh, I have given the answer in the question only. Legendary. Okay, I have given the answer in the question and I'm asking, and still people are going wrong. I don't know what to say. My students are legendary. I have given the answer in the question and still people are saying option A. You guys are like the most truthful students. Great. So guys, it is option B, okay? I told you, show that A is not equal to B. So here, x square equal to 9. So x will be plus or minus 3. But your x belongs to natural numbers. So x can be 3 only, okay? It cannot be minus 3. Similarly here, x square is equal to 9. You will get x is equal to plus or minus 3. And it's integers, right? So x can be both plus or minus 3. So b is plus minus 3. Whereas a is only plus 3. So a is a singleton set, whereas b is a finite set with 2 elements. So a and b are not equal. Got it? Very good. Fantastic. So this is the next one. The set of all positive integral multiples of 5. Guys, please tell me, the set of all positive integral multiples of 5, is it finite, infinite, empty, singleton? Please let me know. Great, great, great. Brilliant guys, brilliant. Everybody is right. It is an infinite set because all the multiples of 5 will be what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It keeps going on all the way up to infinity. Okay. So it is an infinite set because when you look at multiples of 5, you start from 5, 10, 15, 20. You don't stop there, right? You just keep going forward. And you can keep doing it forever. So it is of course an infinite set. That's about it. I hope you guys had fun. So make sure you all attempt the quiz. So you all love Menti quizzes, right? So likewise, in our channel, in the description below, I have given you a quiz. So please make sure you guys attempt it so that you get some clarity, some confidence in this topic. So all you need to do is go to the description of this video. Can you see here? VQuiz link. So go and attempt it. It will further cement your knowledge. Okay, guys, it's very simple. All you need to do is click on this. It will take you to Vedantu's website. You can sign in and you can attempt this quiz. And for those who want to join the courses in Vedantu, so we have batches starting this week. This week we have batches starting for 11th standard as well as 12th standard. In case you are interested, check it out. This is the 2024 JEE English batch and NEET English batch is also there. So whatever you are interested in, click on that link, go inside, you'll have all the details. So you have the teachers, you have the batch starting date and the price to enroll into this batch. So for 2 years JEE, the price is 79,000 for 2 years. So if you guys are interested to study with us, check it out. This is live batch, live batch. Live batch means we will teach you real time. If you want recordings, you can go for AI Live, which is just 14,000 for 2 years. When I say 14,000 for 2 years, it's 24 months. So per month is almost like 600, 700 rupees. That low. And you get the world best, if not world best, India's best teachers to guide you. Okay. So don't miss this opportunity. Check it out and make sure you enroll today because the batches started just 2-3 days back. Okay. Thank you so much, Vijaya. That means a lot. So people, what is the advantage of live batch and why live batch? There is a difference in price because this one you will get books. So for JEE students, you will get books like this. This is what we call as the Tattva material. Okay, so in Vedantu, we use this study material called Tattva, which were used by the toppers of 2017 and 2018 JEE Advance. You must be knowing Pranav Goel and Sarvesh Mehtani, right? All India rank 1. So they have also used these materials. They were also guided by the founders of Vedantu. So in case you are interested to get the hard copy like this book if you want, then you have to go for this Live Pro Classic. Live Pro Lite is only PDF. Okay, so that's why the price is a bit low here. And also Android app you will get access in Pro Classic, but in Pro Lite you will not get. These are the basic differences. Okay, so you can decide if you're already part of a coaching. Let's say you're going to offline coaching, then I would recommend you to take the recorded lectures. Okay, recorded lectures. But if you want only Vedantu, only live, then this will be a very good option, because people, 2 years live class outside, if you go and ask, it's more than 2 lakhs, guys. I'm not even kidding. I studied in Fiji, Chennai 10 years back. I studied in Fiji and I paid around, I think around 1 lakh with scholarship. So I wrote the scholarship exam and I got some good rank. So they gave me discount. And with that also I had to pay 1 lakh. And that is 9 years back in 2011, 2012. Okay. But now it's more than 2-3 lakhs. It's insane. Okay. And still people do join and study because IITs are worth it. Your doctor and NEET is worth it. So people still go for it because they are passionate about it. So in case you are one such student, then you can go and join it. Okay, guys, it's actually very reasonable. It's very fairly priced. So don't miss the opportunity. It might increase later. Okay. So that's about it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the session. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Be regular to our classes and we'll meet often. Okay. Pubita, welcome Pubita. Nice to have you here. Long time. I hope you have started preparing. Great. Ahmed, can you please remind me again, man? There are lots of voice notes which people send to me. I rarely get to see them, but if you have message and if it is something important, please remind me 2 or 3 times. Don't feel bad, guys. It's just that so many students message me and it's very natural that I miss out on few messages. So don't get upset, because many times many students get very offended if I don't reply. And if they see me online, it's like, you know, sometimes teachers are scared to come online because if some student sees I'm online, I'm not replying, they'll feel bad. So guys, please understand, I will reply if you remind me 2 or 3 times. But otherwise, don't get angry or don't get upset. Okay? Cool. So yeah, with that, we'll conclude our session. Thank you so much, people. Love you all. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.